Did you know that Binghatti, now one of Dubai's most prestigious developers, started out in affordable neighborhoods with projects of standard quality? Thanks to exclusive partnerships with globally renowned luxury brands, it has transformed itself into a key player in the high-end real estate market. In this video, we dive into the captivating world of Binghatti, a developer who has redefined the rules of the game in Dubai, and perhaps even your next investment opportunity. Is Binghatti really a good choice for investing in Dubai? Stay until the end to find out. I'm Agatha. I've been living in Dubai since 2013, and it's now been almost 10 years that I've been investing in real estate here. The goal of this channel is to share everything I've learned with you, to give you advice and as much information as possible about Dubai's real estate environment. Here we talk about everything: developers, projects, neighborhoods. The goal is for you to be able to invest with full knowledge and make the best possible deals in this rapidly growing city. I've been following Binghatti since their beginnings, and I have to say, watching their transformation over the years has been fascinating. I remember visiting Binghatti studio apartments in Silicon Oasis 10 years ago. And even back then, they already stood out completely from the rest of the neighborhood in terms of design. But not for a second could I have imagined that Binghatti would become the empire it is today. The story of Binghatti is one of incredible transformation. Founded in 2008 by the Binghatti family, this company has delivered more than 40 projects in just 16 years. But what's fascinating is how the company has managed to evolve. At first, Binghatti was a local player focused on affordable neighborhoods like Silicon Oasis, Al Jadaf, and Jumeirah Village Circle. Practical, functional areas, but very far from the prestige it's associated with today. And then everything changed. The company made a complete 180-degree turn to target the most sought-after areas of Dubai. Business Bay downtown, iconic locations. And to mark its move upmarket, it partnered with world-renowned luxury brands. Among these flagship projects is the Binghatti Tower in partnership with the car manufacturer. You know, that's where Neymar just bought his $20 million penthouse. But that's not all. Binghatti has also collaborated with Jacob & Co. and Mercedes-Benz for projects exclusive, further strengthening its position in the international market. And by the way, the Jacob & Co. Residences Tower will be the tallest residential tower in the world. Today, Binghatti is not only recognized for its premium locations and prestigious partnerships. What makes it strong is its DNA, innovation, and design. If you've ever seen a Binghatti building, it's impossible to miss their iconic orange color. It doesn't leave anyone indifferent. Some find it bold and original. Others completely hate it. But what few people know is that this color wasn't chosen at random. Let me explain what makes it so special. A little background: the color orange held a very special meaning for Mr. Binghatti, the founder of the company. For him, orange represented dawn, a symbol of renewal and endless opportunity. He wanted every building to reflect this philosophy. A new day, a new beginning, new opportunities. That's why orange was everywhere in Binghatti's early projects, truly becoming a signature. But anyway, let's be honest, orange isn't exactly the most mainstream color, especially in luxury real estate. Today, there's no trace of orange in their new constructions. What remains, however, is their true DNA, an ultra-modern geometric design that's instantly recognizable. Whether it's in downtown, Business Bay, or elsewhere, a Binghatti project stands out immediately. This ability to impose a unique style has been their greatest strength in quickly establishing themselves on Dubai's real estate scene. By the way, one of the things that sets Binghatti apart from other developers is that they are their own builders, which is why they're rarely behind schedule. They also generally market their projects a year before delivery, which makes them a good option for investors who want to invest in new properties with quick handover. Binghatti is luxury reinvented, because in addition to collaborating with prestigious brands like Bugatti or Jacob & Co., Binghatti has also developed its own high-end brands to strengthen its position. One by Binghatti, for example, offers apartments with private pools in the heart of Business Bay, providing an exclusive residential experience. Similarly, Trillionaire Residences by Binghatti, expected in December 2024, is redefining the standards of luxury. This ultra-exclusive project offers services worthy of the most prestigious hotels. Bodyguards, a 5-star spa, private pools, everything is designed for a demanding clientele seeking the exceptional. Despite this move upmarket, Binghatti has not forgotten its beginnings. The developer continues to offer affordable projects in neighborhoods like Jumeirah Village Circle. But even in these areas, investment performance is impressive. For example, apartments located in Al Jadaf, Business Bay, or JVC have seen their value increase by 50 to 80% in just 2 or 3 years. These figures show that Binghatti has combined accessibility and profitability, attracting both modest investors and those looking for luxury properties. Investing in a Binghatti project is a strategic choice. With prime locations, impeccable quality, and very competitive pricing, their projects offer high rental yields and strong capital gains in both the short and long term. Moreover, Dubai's real estate market is booming, attracting more and more international investors. Binghatti's projects, which combine luxury and accessibility, are perfectly suited to meet this growing demand. With everything I've just explained to you in terms of design and potential return on investment, I bet you're eager to see what a finished Binghatti apartment looks like, right? Well, follow me. I'm taking you to an existing apartment located in JVC. You'll see with your own eyes what Binghatti offers in the affordable property segment, and it will give you a concrete idea of what you could expect from an investment with them. As you can see, Binghatti is much more than just a real estate developer. It's a bold vision that continues to transform Dubai's urban landscape. If you want to learn more about their project or explore investment opportunities, don't hesitate to contact us or check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you very soon to keep discovering the developers shaping Dubai's future, and who knows, maybe to find your next investment opportunity.